Do you want your viewers to be able to create a clip quite easily, just with a command in chat? I'm going to show you how to do that now. This should be pretty simple. So first off, we're going to go to our actions area and we're going to right click and we're going to click add. Then we need to give it a name. I'm just going to call it clip because that's what we're going to do. As you can see, we've got plain sub actions here now. So I'm going to right click, go to Twitch, go to channel and create clip. And that's it. We've created our clip. So I want to use a command to trigger this on my Twitch side. So I'm going to go and right click. We're going to go to core, command and command triggered. Then you want to click create command. As you can see, we've got add command here. So I'm just going to call it clip so we can find it later if we need to. And then our command is going to be !clip, but you can call it whatever you'd like. You can change the location if you want to, the start, extract, exact, or anywhere. I'm just going to leave it at the start because that's the only command that we really need. Ignore bot accounts, yes. And then our sources is just going to be Twitch. We also have a global cooldown and a user cooldown, but I'm not going to change them. So for this, available and allowed, we're just going to leave it as it is because we want everyone to be able to use it. And then click OK. And then OK again. And there you go. It is here and it is in the triggers. So that should be it. Your command for a clip should be created. You could even go one further and have it so we could say this person has created a clip. So I'm going to do that now and quickly show you how to do that. So the first thing we want to do is let it create our clip and then we want it to say who's created it. So we're going to right click, go to Twitch, user and get user info for target. And we're going to source it from the user who has submitted it and we're going to click OK. Now we want to send a message to Twitch so that the user knows it's gone through and you can see it's gone through as well. And it's a little acknowledgement, it's nice. So we're going to right click, go to Twitch, then chat and then send a message to chat. So it's important you use this target user because this is where the name of the person who has done the clip for it to appear in the text. If you don't put it in, their name won't appear. It draws its information from the target info that you have redeemed earlier. And then I'll just put a little message in and it could be whatever you want. So I'm just going to put has clipped. There we go. And then OK. And that should have done it. So let's try this now. It won't clip anything because I'm currently not live, but the message should appear. So there we go. That's how we make a command for clipping on Streamer.bot. I hope this video helped you and let me know what you'd like me to show you how to do next. I stream on Twitch, YouTube and TikTok 4 times a week. This is my schedule. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!